Let the lightning flash, let the thunder roar, let the summer rain fall on our outside dance floor. Waltzing to the music of the splashing raindrops, with you in my arms, I hope it never stops. Rain dancing with you. I cut every board, I drove every nail, I even installed a fancy handrail, a hard oak dance floor in the wide open air. I had visions of us dancing with the wind in our hair. But the day it was finished, there were clouds in the sky, big bad black ones. I almost started to cry, but like a bolt of lightning from out of the blue, I got the inspiration to go rain dancing with you. Hair soaking wet, our clothes just as well, pressed tight to our bodies. Oh, what a smell of the fresh wet freedom. I feel brand new, I could go on forever, rain dancing with you. Let the lightning flash, let the thunder of the splashing raindrops, with you in my